In this video, we're going to be wrapping the front end of this truck to color match it to the rest of the truck.
Wrapping is easily one of the best ways to change the color of your truck, but it is way harder than we thought. But the first step is to take off all the chrome pieces that we're going to wrap.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
Connect that shit, bro.
Oh, from where?
And this is my friend Jordan, aka the owner of the truck, and he sent me this.
Yo, let's wrap my front end so we can go scoop all the torta.
Is that shit heavy or no?
Once it was off, Jordan got started wrapping the grill while I began to prep the bumpers. But this is where we had our first major issue.
Oh, I fucked it up. Guys, I almost fucked up.
The curved part of the bumper was extremely hard to do, and Jordan ended up cutting too much, messing it up a little bit. But we just kept moving forward and fixed it as best as we could. However, we would have much bigger problems later on.
Guys, we are pretty much done with the front. This is the bump? No, this is the grill, huh?
You stupid.
We're pretty much done with the grill, just placing the bumper. We did have a little bit of scuffs like that, but at the end of the day, we're professionals, and professionals could fix these things, so it's not a problem. So we just finished the grill. Here it is, and now we're gonna start on the chrome bumper and the other part of the bumper, which is right here.
We didn't know it yet, but this was about to get way harder. We decided to cut out all the remaining pieces, so we made sure that we would have enough. Jordan got started on this top part of the bumper, while I did this chrome part on the front of the hood. And this is where disaster struck. The wrap was not long enough. Now, some way, somehow, our calculations were wrong. I don't know how. We put all our brainwaves together and came up with a solution. We're gonna use 3 pieces, and we're gonna merge them at the point where it curves so it looks as seamless as possible. At this point, it had been hours. We were trying to finish as fast as possible. So we did this bottom part of the bumper, which was the biggest, as fast as we could. And as you can see, it came out amazing.
Once again, guys, how I mentioned before, we're professionals, and professionals always use zip ties. But honestly, I think it's more sturdy with the zip ties than with the bolts.
If anything, this is an upgrade.
That's what I'm saying. We finished the bumper, and now it's time to put it back on the car. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Boom, there you go, guys. Oh, there we go, guys. We just finished wrapping the truck. Don't forget to sub the fuck up, because nobody is subscribed. I have, like,
Sub
no.
up, guys.
Sub up. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, bro. Is it clean? Is it not? Let us know.
If this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll wrap the tank.